Two different skies appear today in the central and southern parts of the country. The center areas are affected by rain clouds from the afternoon, having cloudy skies. The expected rainfall will be up to 20 millimeters in the Seoul metropolitan area and Gangwon-do Province, and up to 10 millimeters in the Chungcheong-do provinces. This rain will mostly stop by early tomorrow morning. A preliminary warning for strong winds is in place. Typhoon-like gusts of more than 50 meters per second will hit the East Sea and the West Coast, and winds of 25 meters per second or more will hit the mountainous areas of Gangwon-do Province and Gyeongsangbuk-do Province until dawn tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, Seoul and Gyeongju will start off at 17 degrees Celsius, Chuncheon at 16 degrees. Daily highs will move up to 27 degrees in Seoul and Chuncheon, 25 degrees in Jeju. Rain is forecast throughout the east on Wednesday. That's all for Korea. Here are the weather conditions around the world.